Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are unboxing a Wi-Fi router from TP-Link Archer C50 AC 1200 Wi-Fi router, which is a dual band which supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. In the box, it says dual band Wi-Fi 867 Mbps on 5 GHz plus 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz, which 1200. So only the 1200 megabytes MB. And it says router, access points, range extender, multiple modes, 4x5 dBi antennas. Actually, it has 4 antennas. Faster Wi-Fi and MU-MIMO. It even says TP-Link gives 3-year warranty. On the side of the box, it says easy setup and use. I will show how to set up from mobile. At the back of this box, physical overview of the router and some multi-mode functions, and this side some more package contents, specification and features. Let's unbox it. So guys, here is the router. As you can see, I told it has 4 bands. Let's have a look at the content first. This is a quick installation guide and warranty card. This is a power adapter to power your router, and this is a RJ45 Ethernet cable, and that's it in the box. Nothing else we get. Let's have a look at Wi-Fi itself. So guys, this is the router. So first, let's peel off this plastic. Such a good device. Aesthetic is good design, and it is made up of plastic, but with a good quality plastic. As you can see, the 4 bands, which ultimately will provide you a better range. It has some additions with more interesting design, as you can see. Here is the TP-Link branding, and here they give multiple LED signs, which the first one is power sign, second one is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi sign, third one is 5 GHz Wi-Fi sign, fourth one actually I don't know, and the last one is for internet sign. At the back we have this power connection and on or off button, and we have this WPS Wi-Fi for without connecting without password. You can press this WPS button, and this is for reset, and this is for your main internet. Your main Ethernet cable will connect to this port, Ethernet port, for your internet connection. These are the LAN cables for your secondary device, like if you want to connect directly to your device, like connecting to a laptop from Ethernet cable for secondary use. And at the bottom they have given some passwords for setting up. I'll show you where it will be helpful in. So let's do the setup of this Wi-Fi router. So guys, now I am sharing how to set up router via mobile. First of all, connect Ethernet cable to your router for Wi-Fi internet connection and connect your mobile phone to the network. Second, in my case it's showing TP-Link 92A and 92A 5G. For connectivity, you just enter the password which is given at the back of your router as wireless pin. I will add or share the screenshot of it. And now it's connected, and it's time to open the app, the TP-Link app. After opening, it will load your device and tap on the device. Simply create any password. It shows. After doing that, it will show your networks. In this app you can change passwords, etc, and control all of your router settings here, and you have successfully set up this router. And guys, this router is priced it for 2000 rupees. I will share the link below in the description box, and I do recommend this Wi-Fi router. This is best in this price range. And thank you guys for watching this video.